Welcome. After working in a scene, you can go into Overlays and click on Import and go into the Badvisor option here on the top left corner. If you click on Overlays, you can filter between the options. Select the scene, check the overlay option, and click Confirm. Now you can work with this cool UI in your scene. Go back to the overlays and click on the template. You can dynamically open the menu and see how the body is updated on the right side. Edit, duplicate, or delete the options as you see fit. Edit the names of your content under Layers, or connect your animations under Settings. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching.